Hi, everyone. This is the Digital Experience Product Marketing Group Sprint Plan Sync. Today is Monday, June 6th, and I'll hand it over to you, Justin.
I'll share my screen and we can get things going. Start with Tina.
Oh, there we go. Me first. I'm working on the features landing pages. I put a lot of tasks in, the features landing page. I put a lot of tasks in that one issue. So now I'm in the stakeholder interview portion of the issue. So that's what I'll be working on this week and next. And I'm the DRI for the slippers maintenance issue this iteration as well. And I imagine I'll also be doing a lot of reviewing for the category leadership template that's that somebody's working on this iteration as well. Next is Nathan, if we're going in that direction.
Yeah, I can go next. Yeah, so today I'm mostly just catching up. There's a ton of MRs I have to go through, emails, to-dos, lots of stuff. But for this iteration, I'm going to finally finish the slippers video and documentation. I was just waiting for the icons to get kind of finalized before making a video, so I don't have to go back and do it again. And then Zoom info is just an ongoing thing. Like I had a meeting this morning and it's never ending, but I think we're almost there. It's on legal's hands now. And then, yeah, deprecate 24 webcast pages. I haven't really looked into it, but I'm assuming it's just deprecating pages that haven't gotten a lot of traffic. And then I should have time, so I'll just pick up off the backlog after that. Javi, I think you're next.
Thanks, Nathan. I have points allocated for updating the site navigation UI. I made a note in some of that we have two components called site navigation, so we should clear up some of the vocabulary. Hence why my next issue is create site nav component for the solution pages. I'm just merging in that MR. It's like it's going through the review process right now. So once that'll get merged in, that'll be sorted out. I have a point for deprecate service 4 and 5 snapshot pages. I have a couple of points allocated for some animation on hover effects for some of the different buttons that we have. And then after that, I'm picking up from the backlog as well. Up next is Mateo.
Thank you, Javi. So I have 3 issues right now, 2 of which are already ready to be reviewed, which are the fallback logos and the multi-select component. Nathan, we may want to sync on the multi-select component because I know you also have been working on something related to those. And then I'm working on the topics pages, building the new template for them. And next one is Margaret.
Yep, I have some issues that moved from the last sprint, still waiting on some follow-up. But in the meantime, I'm just going to be working on the post template, the release template refresh. And I'm just going to finish up some feedback on my current MRs. I think I'm the last one.
Cool. Yeah, I told the conversion group there's a few untagged animation issues that like really anyone can grab if they have time. I'm gonna actually create a few more today, and they'll just be there's an epic for animation, and they'll just be there. When you do it, just grab it and tag our group to it, so then we can kind of track things accordingly, even though it's not specifically product marketing animation or hover effect or user experience kind of thing, but just so we can look at our issues, and when we pull reports, we can see what product marketing work done. And then I think once, if I'm correct, once Mateo's done with the template for the topics page, then we can start actually building out the actual pages themselves. We can get rolling on that as well. So that once that's done, then I'll create issues for the actual pages themselves. We can go from there. And that's probably it.